Okay, so we're here to do something amazing right here on the plug. I've been hearing it here and there. I've been seeing some dada bars doing it, and I ask myself whether myself I'll be dada bar or not.
We the dada bars doing is
You the dada bar. Who go school ben?
Yeah. Hey, maybe school I'm going now dada bar for school.
Who go school ben? But here it is, sip and paint. You've heard it somewhere, right? Mm-hmm. You haven't tried it, but anyways, we're here to try it, and we have some gentlemen inside the studios. Welcome to MX24.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Kojo.
Oh, Kojo. Oh, Shami. You are?
I'm Edem Yao.
Edem Yao. Today's a Thursday, so.
Too worry, yeah.
Yeah, hey, I'm in-law, so I say, where do you fall?
Wow.
Welcome. What's the name of the company?
So this is Sip and Paint Africa. And that's
Sip
the name.
and Paint Africa.
Yes.
So if I want to do any sip and paint events, you're the guy I have to call.
Sure, definitely.
My birthday, which is my 30th birthday, that's what we're going to do.
Sip and paint.
Yes.
Okay.
And other things.
Kojo and Yao, welcome to MX24. Welcome to the AM Club.
Thank you.
So, what is it that we are sipping on, and what is it that we are painting today?
So for today, we are going to do some light painting of a background.
Okay.
We are looking at something of a sunset at night.
Okay.
Or there's of a mountain range.
Okay.
With the moon there. Just something simple that we can achieve in
Oh,
the
that's
time.
easy. It's easy. I
trust
What year? One no. Easy. Say I know I got painting before. One no. All right. Let's get into it. We have all the equipments here, the tools and everything, the paint brushes. Our deck is right in front of us. But I mean, for safety measures, I mean, what do we need to put on first? What do we need to carry on? Take us through.
Okay, so we have our aprons here on the table.
Okay.
So
We are going to wear those so that we don't soil our
Okay.
attire for today.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic.
So we'll do that first before we actually get into some paint work.
Okay.
Just wear it up, tie it behind you.
Nice
And
one.
let's get messy.
Okay. Why is Yao's apron different?
Because I'm the artist.
You are the artist, eh? we are the learners.
We are your
He
vegetables.
just wants everyone to know.
Yeah, okay. All right. Cool. Great. How do I look? Ready to paint?
Mine is no time. Which means that
Let me help you.
Painting,
Let me help you with that.
Should be fine.
I just remember the joke, and it's a very nasty joke, so I can't say it. But
Please don't.
Eh.
All right.
Thank
We're
you.
good to go.
Sure.
You're the best partner in the world. You're
Good.
the best. You're the best.
Nice.
You're the best.
So we have some drinks before us. We'll be sipping on those from time to time. As
So
we
cheers
paint.
to great painting.
So wait, but does that give us the energy to paint?
Oh, it does make a
It's a
refreshing
sip and
sight.
paint, buddy.
Okay. All right. Cool.
So please, everybody, grab your glass.
Okay.
To my amazing painting prowess.
Okay.
I'm about to kill it. All of you wish me luck.
You see the way Yao is just nodding his head like girl
chick
we.
way.
We'll find out when it's over.
I can
don't worry.
I can feel the artistic vibes in here.
You understand?
Fantastic, fantabulous. All right. Good.
Okay.
Okay. So are you running us through, or everybody's painting their own thing?
So we are all actually doing the exact same thing.
The exact
here.
same thing.
Yeah.
So meaning we have to be looking.
Obviously.
But this one, it just reminds me of something. One go school, papa, especially kindergarten.
That beat.
Yeah, someone like Mimi.
Hey.
She doesn't know how to mix the blue and the you get
Hey,
because this is a lot of blue.
I understand.
Yes.
I
And I believe you came in because, of course, MX24 has a lot of blue in there. Perfect.
So we'll do everything, and lead artist Adam here would run us through.
Okay, Adam, go ahead.
So good. So you have our primary colors basically.
Okay.
The red, yellow, blue, white.
Okay.
Red. That's the primary colors.
Okay.
So to begin with, let's just open the color.
The color white,
We are going to start with black and blue first.
black and blue.
Yeah. So we're going to mix black and blue to get blue black. So let's please try and open.
Black and blue.
But there are two shades of the blue here.
Yes. So which of the blues?
Oh, we are using the first blue.
Okay.
The very first blue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, even to open the blue car is a you.
Just take your time.
Okay.
Yeah, dear.
Fantastic, fantabulous. All right. We're good.
So which brush do we use?
So let's dip the brush into the water. So afterwards we can dab it on it. We can dab it
You
on
have
it.
to have that stick vibe, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Today, before we see something here.
Yeah, man. Okay, then we put it on the tissue.
Yeah, dampen it out a little bit.
Okay. All right. Good.
So our color formation for today, we are going to mix black and blue, as I said. So
Black
let's
and blue.
good.
Okay.
So as I said, let's take some black with a brush. We scoop some black from the brush onto the palette. So
Okay.
Let me mean to cry.
A little more. Good. Good.
All right.
So afterwards you can take some blue, but let's wash the
Wash the brush.
So you always have to wash it
Yeah.
to take the other color.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can get it as accurate as possible.
And back onto the tissue.
Okay.
So that's when we take the blue.
Yeah. So just as we did for the black, we scoop a little of the blue.
And
onto
do
a
you
different-
mix it?
So yeah, we are going to mix it
Eventually,
You're going
yeah.
to mix it.
But for now, let's just have
Oh,
it.
so
on
we
the
put it
plate.
directly onto the black.
directly onto the black.
Okay, okay. So there's it. Wait, I've already started creating a mess.
Yeah, like I said, let's get messy. So,
Okay.
no problem.
All right, good.
So the picture background over here has shades of blue.
All right.
So our first layer will be dark blue.
Okay.
Good. Then whilst we are coming down, then we keep on tinting with white.
Okay.
Good.
So
So starting from the top
from the
of
top.
the canvas, yeah.
So from the top of the canvas.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we come down gradually.
With this mixture
Yes.
With our mixture with
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll lighten it up as we go down.
as we go
All
down.
right.
Are you Jew?
So here it is, right now on the AM Club.
We are painting.
We are definitely at the end going to show you what it is. And please, buy. We'll auction it.
Yes. It's a Picasso masterpiece.
We Italians for Campo Beto.
Ah,
Umberto ni.
wow, yeah.
And I think you for be skillful on hands on.
Show some flair.
Yeah.
Hey,
For sure,
Jay.
say you know inside. Make nobody can hide me say make you paint in the house for him because this one here, I know sure say I will paint them.
Okay.
Mimi K.
Okay.
We had our first
Mimi
drop.
Woodwork.
Yes, ma.
It's,
But this is normal, right?
oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So
No,
please,
not at all.
just a
Like-
tip I want to give. If you are painting and you see it's dry, you can
Yeah.
simply just dip the brush lightly into the water.
Okay.
Yeah. Just to soften and moist.
Okay.
Lightly.
Color.
But here lies the case where it looks like I didn't take a lot, so it get finished.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So you mix it back.
Yeah. So
I have to
like you
mix it
did,
back.
you can rinse the brush again, fetch some more paint,
Okay.
then you mix it again.
All right. There we go. Someone is gonna love this and gonna buy it for 2,000. There'll be 2,000 there. Say, so.
Look at the master. View the masterpiece in the making.
No, you all know they go on well.
Who they want?
A little more blue.
Me, right?
Yeah.
When you ask her, she says black is power.
Just go around
Black is winning.
and vet. That's all.
Okay.
Okay,
look-
good. So the space like this, okay?
It's
Just-
okay.
Yeah.
So I have to get to the end of the canvas?
Yes, please
Yeah.
get to the end.
Okay.
Half marked.
Good, right?
Good.
Forget,
They
you
must
are doing
know.
too much black.
They must know that they are seniors in the game.
Show them, yeah?
I'm showing them my.
I think like this, then the glasses has to come down. So they are here. My friend, continue yours.
Hey, Okay. So at this point,
No, my blue is getting finished.
You should get something.
like this.
Okay.
So mine is the perfect
But
slope.
me, I still they go down.
It's what I think.
Oh, Johnny,
It's
you
what
tell me that thing. If I tell me say make I catch some angles, see where I catch.
Oh, it's still good.
I still there.
Yeah.
I'm still in place.
You're not in place. You have exceeded. Look at the colors here.
Allow me to do my thing.
Bro, let's go.
Okay.
So now, we are going to use our small brush. We are going to
Small
make
brush.
the outline of the mountain and the edges. So let's use our small brush.
Okay.
Dip it in the water first,
Same procedure.
then you dampen it.
So we scoop some blue black.
So what are we taking?
The same.
We're still working with the
me,
blue and the
my
black.
scoop. So can I take my big brush and scoop?
Yes, you can
Okay,
do
so
that.
because
So we are still on the blue black.
Yes.
So we should just use a small brush.
Yes. This time we're trying to get a blue black.
but let's get interactive into this.
Okay.
How lucrative is this job in Ghana? I mean, for painters, artistic painters for that matter.
Well, given it's a new thing that is actually gaining some momentum,
Okay.
yeah, you can actually make some money out of it. You just have to be creative with the ideas you bring out there. That way it gets more people interested to come in.
Like
may-
you have.
Sure, sure. You may have a few number of people
Okay.
meeting together for a smaller event.
Okay.
Then you will also have a larger gathering of people that would come together, sometimes for weddings, corporate offices wanting to do a little hangout. Other times it's just friends who want to meet up and do something, have a picnic. But they want to have some art as part of it. So these are various areas and angles that we can incorporate this fun session of sip and paint into. And the more the number, the more money you could make. So, we look
So
forward to more
paintings
people.
in Ghana, the art, is it artifacts? That's what you call it.
Okay, art
the
pieces. Yeah.
Art pieces. Are they? Do we have enough galleries in the country, selling these pieces? And how lucrative is that one too?
Well, presently, there are more and more pop-ups. I also use pop-ups that are actually coming up.
Okay,
Where
than
you could,
station.
than stationary places. There are a few of those in around Accra, but the pop-ups are coming, coming out more. So if you are to cooperate with them, then some of your paintings and stuff, you can go there, also put it on display
Wonderful.
for people to see.
What would be your best recommendation for a painter here to make money in Ghana?
Best
What should they
recommendation.
paint?
Like,
What exactly should they paint?
Okay, we'll get into that, but
Yeah.
what should they do to be noticed? What should they do to put themselves out there? Because
Okay.
I have a vision to become a painter one day, as you can see.
Okay, so
And for someone like you who is in the industry, what do you recommend that painters should do to get more money out of the business?
So presently, I think social media is the way with regards to the work that we do.
You do.
Yes, on social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and the likes, you could actually display your works.
Yes, for free.
Obviously, but you just let people know what it is you are doing, and also let them see something unique about it.
Yes.
Because more and more of these sip and paints are actually being done out there now. So you must find a way to make yours unique. That way you can sell it out some more.
Absolutely. So are we getting anywhere with our painting?
Yes. So let's get back to
Jay
you.
has messed up his painting.
No, me, I'm on the right path.
Are you?
Let's get it. Yeah.
Okay. Who is
So-
it? Oh, that's Jay. I knew it.
Now I think we have our small brush.
Yeah, we have our small brush.
We are going to make the outline, as I said, the mountain,
Down there.
the peak of the mountain.
Yeah,
Now,
down there.
And we're still using blue black.
yeah, that's
Yes.
So is it the down part?
Yes, the
Yes.
down part here of the two hills and mountains that you can see.
Yes.
So for now, we are just going to make the outline at the top here, just to get it on the canvas first before we start painting down.
Okay. I need to get the dimensions right. I need to get the dimensions right. So how does it go? It goes this way, that way.
Just make a sketch of it for now.
Wait.
Also, sometimes you don't have to, I mean, see exactly do what you see on the scene. You can bring out your own vibe. You can bring out your own, I mean.
Because I am about to bring out my own vibe.
Oh, we look forward to it.
This mountain is called Mountain Everest.
Assistant.
We have to do the borders.
Hey, I'm quite a good man. Wait, Mimi K. What have you done?
So
Right.
something like this.
I've got my mountain ready.
Your mountain is mounted.
Baby, yours looks like the borders, the river. No, they see the border safe.
This mountain is smooth.
This mountain is very smooth.
This mountain is smooth.
Come up a little bit, so you can have the peak.
So just some little outlines like this
Yeah.
help get the peak.
I mean, I'll try,
some
I'll
rough edges on it as well.
That's right.
For mountain's sake.
Hey! Why is your mountain going overboard?
I beg, don't give me pressure.
Don't mind him.
Pressure.
I'll have the peak here.
You're doing it.
The
You're doing
peak
it.
has arrived.
I'm not even going to mind you.
The peak is here. Okay, I've done my peak. Master, nobody should come and stress me here.
All right.
Now we can paint into it.
Yeah,
not
we'll
yet.
get in
Not
there
yet.
eventually.
Okay. So what's the next step now?
So our next step is our second layer. We are going to take all in blue. But before, let's wash our brushes.
Okay.
Using the same, we are going to use the big brush now.
The big brush?
Yes.
Then still on the matter of how to stand out,
Yes.
Yeah.
sometimes, working along established event places and even restaurants too. Going to them and organizing some days in which people can just come. And instead of just coming to eat, they can have some of these sessions in there and we are ready for them when they come. So they come, they enjoy their meal, they enjoy their drink, they also enjoy the painting session. And it's ways of keeping yourself out there and making people know
Okay.
that, this
But
is
because
what's
of time,
We would have-
we would wrap it up, finish everybody's own, and then on Monday, personally, we'll take pictures of our various paintings,
Okay.
and then we'll present it to our people, especially over the weekend as well,
lovely.
so that they can give us our marks. We'll give
Because
it to the people out there.
as I've given you the
Definitely
peak of the
she's winning.
mountain.
But
like
then,
this,
but then,
you
but
pick
then,
to the
but then,
point.
if any company wants to come to you, I mean, any corporate company wants to come to you to organize a sip and paint for them, how can we go about that?
So we have a social media handle, and this one is on Instagram.
Okay.
It's Sip and Paint Africa. Sip and Paint Africa, all one word as a sentence. Then we can also be reached via WhatsApp on 054-814-2683.
Okay.
Okay.
054-814-2683.
Okay. So information reaching me is that my producers are saying that we are not even going to wait till the weekend. Tomorrow,
doing tomorrow
no,
morning.
sharp.
see
Everybody
all
is
the
going to judge,
Bro.
myself and Mimi,
Yeah.
who did well. Because this mountain that is crossing.
You know, mountain that is doing Keche over
Please,
here. I'm not even talking about it.
don't bring your brush here. Okay, fantastic. So what's next?
So let's scoop some blue.
Blue, the
This
same
time we
blue.
are taking only blue for our second
Only
layer.
the first blue.
Yes.
Okay.
I said make am put me blue now song.
That's a blue nina. They are any out there.
So where are we
So
painting?
we are applying it
The
beneath
middle.
the blue black.
Yeah.
Right beneath.
So,
Yeah,
Right
right
beneath,
beneath
yeah.
it.
Oh, okay.
So we are going to have our shades come
okay.
out perfectly.
Nice. So if you are a lady that knows who wears nails, this is almost as if you're doing an ombre thing, where you are mixing two colors. You are entering the first one with the second one. Whatever I'm saying, only the women understand. So,
Who said there's a man who understand?
yeah. Hey, until you understand ombre.
Ombre.
Wait. Okay.
That was unless you help us.
Don't be no answer.
Oh.
Ombre. I didn't hear me.
Ooh, cha. Mimi. Just got yourself a new job. This job is fun, fearless,
Factual. Job is fun, fearless, and
Factual. Because how can I not win this? God damn it. I like you, Mimi. You're so good at this thing. I'm almost at Kojo's level right now.
Keep going. I trust you.
Whoa. Come in here.
Oh, copy work is allowed.
It's allowed.
Follow who no road is what it is called.
So are we still going down, or is just that layer?
So up to optimum level, like. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I think. Okay. Okay. So as we are moving on to other conversations, is it so you both work together?
Yes, we do.
So when we find sip and paint, we found our friend here.
Yes, you'll find
Wonderful.
us.
Wonderful. This has been an exciting experience. I have never done this before. I must say that in the spirit, I am a wonderful painter. But as we have come to the practical world, it is challenging. And so shout outs to every painter in Ghana. You guys are doing amazing. And we're looking forward to having such engagements here on the AM Club and even in person, anywhere we find you. Thank you so much for joining this amazing, amazing show here on MX24. It is the AM Club. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the best painter in the room. So yeah, we get it. My name is Miriam Udwak Mensah. Jay?
Are you still talking? Me, I am painting.
Okay, so we're going to be showing you guys the final painting tomorrow morning. Before we start the show, we must prove to this man that say a Valentine's not the same year. Me painting mu me say no. You betcha.
Picasso doesn't talk much.
Look, no. Guys, look at this. Who is getting somewhere? No, just look at this. Who is getting somewhere?
Jay.
At least who's
Jay,
getting somewhere?
If I
Who's
were
getting
you, I will
somewhere?
hide what we have done.
No, who is getting somewhere?
If I were you, I will hide.
See your mountain doing like a longitude.
A latitude.
A latitude. Your mountain doesn't even know where it is going to. Anyways, guys, Yao and Kojo, thank you so much for coming through. It's a pleasure. I mean, off camera, we'll definitely finish this. So tomorrow, y'all can judge, give us our marks. It's going to be over 100. So what you say? Wow, but 80 no nature so when you're A. And feel free, you can give the person F.
Yeah, like he said. Money
because get ready.
It's so Valentine's Day.
Anyways, okay, so my name is Kojo Dasenberg. Thank you so much for being part of the show. This has been the AM Club right here on MX24 off camera. Make sure you join us on our socials, MX24GH. We're still sipping. You guys, you forget about the sipping safe. It be e-way go encourage me. So what you say? We're still sipping and still painting. And that is how we wrap it up for today. We'll see you same time tomorrow, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. right here on your biggest morning show. It's bye-bye for now, but tomorrow, dear, not painting.
We'll show you the factual painting and the fearless paintings in the world.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow morning.